Good day, YouTube. Here I am bringing you, it's more of a review. It was supposed to be an install video, but when I got this, I was a little impatient. I had to go to a board meeting for the Mustang Club. It's the Alterum iPad Mini Dash Mount. You can buy it at American Muscle. Link will be down in the description, $349. Actually, I like it, because I was looking for a way to put a screen, because when I traded my 2012 for this 2013 GT, it came with just the regular stereo with sync. It works with or without sync. If you don't have Bluetooth, you actually have to get a Bluetooth car kit. Link for that one will be down in the description. The one I got is MPOW. Actually works really, really good. So, like I said, this was actually supposed to be an install video, but like I said, I got a little impatient. What it mounts with is, you got 4 magnets that come with this. That you know, they're rare earth magnets. You have one here, one here, one here, and one here. A little weird to point, but yeah. But yeah, you get 4 round magnets, and what you do is you pop off your radio bezel and figure out where they go. Super glue them on there and pop it back in there, and this thing just mounts up, boom, just like that. And you take your iPad, make sure your power button is on the bottom right hand corner, and you just boop, just pops in there like that, and now you have an iPad in your car. And what you do is, I've got mine linked to my phone right here with the personal hotspot, and you can pretty much play music in your iPad. Or you can use Waze app. It actually works really good. And actually, I'm going to work on getting it hooked up. I've got the Dash Command app right there. That way, I've got a OBD2 port reader that plugs in there, and you'll be able to get all your vitals for your car and everything. Is it worth the $349? My opinion, it's a little expensive for what it is. That's just my opinion. I mean, they could ask a couple $100 for it, and it would have been fine. But you know, when you're the only one making it for the 2010 to 2014 Mustangs, you can pretty much set it for whatever you want. But it's a good mount. I like it. I like it a lot. There's 2 different mounts. There's ones for the iPad 1, 2, 3, iPad Mini 1, 2, 3, and then there's one for the iPad Mini 4. Like I said, link will be down in the description. I opted for the iPad 4 mini mount, because that's what I have. When you put it in there, pay attention to where your power button is. On the iPad 4, I'm not sure what it is on the 1, 2, 3 mounts, but on the 4, it's got a notch right here where your power button sits in, because I made that mistake. I put my iPad in the other direction. Every time I locked it, it would take a screenshot, and that is just damn annoying. So if you like this video, subscribe it, like it, hit the bell icon down there to notice when I post again, and I will try and post a little more often. It's been probably a couple weeks since my strip tower install. Like I said, I've had dental work. I've been working on trying to talk better. You know, when you have kind of dental work I did, you know, you have to learn everything over again. So, like I said, if you like what you see, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye.